Sea to Summit Alpha Pot Set 2.2. Although there are more specialized options, this package offers a lot of capability at a reasonable price and weight. A large pan, a small pan, 2 bowls, and 2 may appear to be a simple set, but the details matter. The larger hard anodized aluminium pot is a 2.7-liter monster, big enough to hold a big casserole for 2 people, while the smaller 1.2-liter pan is still bigger than many of the other pans. Each pot also has a lid, which makes cooking after a long day much easier, without improvising or using an empty cup like a lid. Even with a whole pan of food, Sea to Summit's minimalist handle and pivot lock system for swiveling and locking the handles in position works incredibly well. The handles feel stable, comfortable to hold, and practical. The plates are deep enough to hold food adequately. The Insel Mugs jackets are a little tricky, and you have to press the lids down forcefully to establish a good seal, but they still function effectively. Both the dishes and the cups are made of BPA-free glass-reinforced polypropylene, which is highly durable. KELTY Camp Kitchen. KELTY Camp Kitchen is a custom set of Basecamp-sized stainless steel pots with recycled plastic plates and bowls, with the exclusive collaboration of Green Gurus and Preserve. Dishwasher safe, full-sized color-coded plates and bowls are built to last for years. Its 6.5 squat pot and deep-sided pan are big enough to feed a crowd of 4 or more people. A full-size stainless steel Basecamp cook set is good for a group of 4 people. Inside the pot, the entire kit nestles together. The pot, frying pan and lid are 304 class stainless steel. Everyday bowls and plates are color-coded and come with a storage bag. There are 4 sets of thick gauge stainless steel flatware in a mesh storage bag. It allows the steel saucepan 6.49 quarts with 2 broadside handles that are convenient to use. SnowPeak Titanium Solo Combo 2.0. SnowPeak, a Japanese minimalist outdoor company, has been manufacturing small but well-formed titanium goods for years, and the Solo Combo 2.0 is no exception. This little cook set will be a trusty buddy for decades while being heavy on the budget and lightness in the rucksack. A 30 fluid ounce pot will provide a nice lunch for 1 person, and there are plenty of culinary possibilities available with a bit of imagination. The smaller pot serves as a cup, and the silicone tab on the top allows it to be lifted without gloves while still hot. You'll also be able to squeeze 2 110-gram fuel canisters inside the large pot for super compact packing, which is made even easier by the fact that the pots nest perfectly within each other in a zen-like display. GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cooking Set. The GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper is the most complete and high-quality cooking set, tested for groups containing 2 to 4 people in each. This cook set comes with 2 pots, one of which holds 3 liters and a 9-inch skillet. By using it, you will have plenty of capacity to create some delicious dinners for 4 people. Also, it took a little over 3.5 minutes to bring 1 liter of water to a rolling boil, making it one of the fastest in the test. The cook set is one of the users' favorites. The pots didn't retain heat as well as the skillets, but it wasn't as essential to us as the quality of the skillet and the time it took to boil. With a complete set of plates, mugs and bowls, the GSI Pinnacle offered the most delicate features and options of cookware. It's great that each pot has its lid. The best feature is the primary and a simple-use pot gripper, which works flawlessly every time. The cookware's quality and adaptability easily outweighed these reservations. Overall, the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper is the best camping cookware set on the market. Moreover, it contains everything that you need to cook for up to 4 people. GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Base Camper. Bugaboo Base Camper is highly recommended if you want a more budget-friendly, no-frills version of the GSI Pinnacle. The Bugaboo uses more cheap materials for its pots and pans to keep the price low. The pot gripper and lids are identical. Apparently, there are no dissimilarities in performance between the Bugaboo and the Pinnacle, but the Pinnacle Camper is only available in 1 size. The Bugaboo Base Camper is available in 3 sizes from GSI Outdoors. GSI Bugaboo Basecamper Cookset meets all of your camp cooking needs and has a significant volume to weight ratio, so it's big enough to feed a crowd while still being easy to transport. With the non-stick coating, you can cook with less oil, and the pots and pans are super easy to clean in the field with very little water. Cookware with a coating tends to wear out faster than pots made of other materials, 1 to 5 years. To extend the life of non-stick cookware, it is the best option to use soft utensils that won't scratch the coating and cook on medium heat rather than high. Primus PrimeTech 2.3-liter pot set. The Primus PrimeTech stood out in the tests since it is a self-contained stove with 2 pots that could also be used on a standard camping stove. One of the pot's non-stick coating performed admirably when cooking an egg. The pot is also the quickest to boil water in the tests. While the gap in its top may have resulted in increased heat loss, users liked how easy it is to handle the pot with the gripper without touching the lid. Overall, this cookware set is of high quality and can be used in automobiles or the woods. It's a great complement to a camp setup, especially if you enjoy the built-in stove. The Primus PrimeTech 2.3-liter set's primary pot outperforms any other single pot in any set tested. Thanks to the lid handle, non-stick coating, and heat-exchanging rings, the companion pot and the insulated cozy carry bag round out the package. It doesn't come with extra features, but if you want the best performance, you won't mind putting your extras together. In Alaska's cold alpine conditions, this wonderful pot is ideal for car camping, trekking, and even bivvy. Stanley Basecamp Cookset for 4. The Stanley Basecamp Cookset comes with one huge stainless steel pot and one frying pan, both of which may be used on stove or over an open fire. In addition, the set includes a silicone trivet, which provides a stable surface for setting your pot down to cook over an open flame. Its pot and pan are also large enough to hold all the food you'd prepare for a family of 4. The accompanying dish drying rack makes cleanup a breeze when the dinner is finished. The Stanley Adventure Basecamp Cookset is the best cooking set for camping. It is a high-quality, budget-friendly cookset that comes with everything you'll need for great camp cooking. The BPA-free dishes and utensils are easy to handle, lightweight, and convenient, and the hefty stainless steel cookware is highly durable. While this set isn't large enough to cook for large gatherings, it's ideal for couples and small families. Extras like folding utensils, a dish rack, and a chopping board make it easy to choose the Basecamp Cookset for the travels time and time again. SOTO Summit X-Pot Collapsible Camping Cookpot. The notion of the SOTO Summit X-Pot is amazing. The pot, mainly composed of silicone, however, has a solid anodized aluminium base to distribute heat, and it barely compresses by ½ an inch thick. It's an excellent piece of gear, ideal for campers with little or less space and hikers who take their cooking seriously. In terms of cooking ability and heat retention, it stands in the middle of the group. Because it couldn't simply blast the burner on high as it might with other cookware, you have to take extra care to keep an open flame away from the silicone sides, which resulted in a reduction in boil time. If you don't remember to fold the silicone handles up during cooking, they can become boiling. The more remarkable features are the traditional pots for convenience and ease of use. Using it took a lot more attention and care, and it didn't work as effectively. Still, if you're short on space or want something that can double as a large group hiking pot, this is a well-made and well-designed cookpot. GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Troop. The GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Camper Cookware Set features 2 pots, one 3-liter and one 2-liter, as well as a frying pan for optimum flexibility while cooking. Each pot and pan has its non-slip handles, and the supplied lid can also be used as a filter when needed. This surprisingly small kitchen set includes 4 14-ounce mugs with insulated sleeves, 4 plates, and 4 14-ounce bowls. These items are BPA-free and color-coded so that no one gets mixed up when camping. Miniature cookware isn't an option when you're cooking for a large group of hungry campers. Full-sized, sturdy pots and pans are required for large batch cooking, such as those found in the GSI stainless Troop Cookset. Thanks to its heavy-gauge stainless steel construction, this set isn't inexpensive, but it'll last a long time. It's generally more cost-effective to spend more money once on something that will last than buying cheap items that will eventually break. This cookset is one of the second items on the list whenever you go on multi-day adventures that require real camp cooking. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system is ideal for those who need full-size cookware in a small package. It has a one-of-a-kind 2-burner stove that folds and nests snugly inside the pot, making it simple to pack and transport. Coils at the base of the Genesis pot speed up the boil time and make greater use of your fuel. A 10-inch non-stick frying pan is also included in the set. The Genesis Basecamp system is pricey, but it's well worth it for those who value portability and energy efficiency. The JetLink port on the Genesis stove can connect the lunar satellite burner or the half-gen burner, sold separately. The Genesis Basecamp is a 2-burner folding stove that is remarkably light and small. The compact design will appeal to anyone who makes the most of their space. Whether in the back of a car, stored in an expedition duffel, or used in a van, it's no surprise that this stove got one of the renowned Top Pick Awards, given its versatility to cook on high or low heat like a pro. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is a beautiful model to consider if a car camper wants to save space and weight. This low-profile, lightweight arrangement simmers well, is simple to clean, and is by far the lightest and smallest option to transport 2 burners you have encountered so far. The clever design features even heat distribution, simple construction, and the revolutionary JetLink interface, which allows you to connect your Jetboil to the same fuel source.